Hello guys, welcome to Tactics tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to use Natwest card reader. So first, insert your Natwest debit card into the card reader with the chip facing downwards. When you log in to Natwest online banking or initiate a transaction, the system will prompt you to use the card reader for specific tasks like setting up payments, viewing sensitive information, or changing account settings. The prompt will ask for either a response or code or a signed code. Now press the relevant button on the card reader depending on what you're doing. Now respond for logging in or confirming actions, sign for setting up new payments or beneficiaries. Now after selecting the appropriate option, the card reader will ask for your PIN. Enter the 4-digit PIN associated with your Natwest debit card, the same PIN you use at an ATM. Once you enter your PIN, the card reader will generate a one-time code. Enter this code on the Natwest online banking page where prompted. After entering the generated code into online banking, proceed with your transaction or account changes. If your card reader is lost or damaged, you can request a replacement through Natwest website or by contacting customer service. And then that's it guys. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.